Hi everyone, Nathan here, and thanks for stopping by this video that is titled How to Build an Email List Fast in 2019. Actually, I'm going to leave a link below the description so you can see the video, which is different titled in my other channel. You can see it here, 3 tips how to grow your email list fast. But it is the exact same thing because it's all about how to build an email list fast. And if you're serious about building a real online business, your highest priority should be to build an email list. No matter if you're totally new or experienced one, there is 3 plus 1 extra bonus tip that I share over there. And since I thought it was really an important video, that's why I wanted you to watch it over there as well. Now, there is a link, of course, in the description below. And when you're there, make sure also to subscribe to that channel because I do upload internet marketing related tips, some productivity stuff, and some other stuff that I don't upload on this channel. So I do highly suggest you to subscribe to that channel also. Alright, enough talk. Click the link below in the description now to get started with building your email list fast.